Hi, it's me, Zayfor Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. This is one of those USB chargers. A 3 USB charger. Yeah, right. It won't even charge one device, let alone 3. And it gets pretty hot. Now, I can't find my pocket knife at the moment. It's disappeared somewhere. So I'll try and pull this wretched thing apart with the tip of a screwdriver, if we can. There we go. That worked. So what we need to do now is to work our way around. Let's pull out that screwdriver and there we are. Put that in there, lever our way around. Oh. Huh. That didn't take too kindly to it, did it? Okay. Not a problem. Okay. Let's get some good lever action going. Good levering action. Sounds quite perverted, that. Okay. Let's just exploit that. Oh, it's coming apart. It comes apart there. I thought it was breaking. Okay. So it comes apart there. It's always a mystery with this Chinese junk. And I'm afraid most of it is just pure junk. It's just designed to part you from your money without actually giving you anything more than the bare minimum. Right, good. Got that apart. There. Got the plastic off. Now, let's see what little horrors we have here. Tiny little transformer. One little LED. Power regulator. Not sure what that chip is or what it does, but oh, we've got another surface mounted chip there. Got a couple of surface mount components. Yeah. Really, to be quite honest, without having to particularly look at this, you can see it's just not capable of powering more than one of these USB things, and in fact it doesn't even power one of them properly. And it's just, this is what I'd call a total waste of somebody's time designing it, building it. But in the Chinese terms, it's not actually, because it's parted somebody from their money. And at the end of the day, all the Chinese are about is parting people from their money and providing a product that looks as if it'll work, and they don't much care, because once you bought it, imported it, bought it, they don't care, because they don't give returns, and even if they did, you'd have to ship it back. Let me give you a close-up look of it. Look at this piece of Chinese junk. There we go. And then turn it over. Oops. And there we are. You see a few little components there. And the soldering is fairly average. In fact, not even fairly average, it's actually fairly poor soldering. Very blobby. They must have given this to their new trainee. Yeah. pure Chinesium.